Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to underline your text in MS Word document. So friend, of all open MS Word. Now select the text area where you want to underline. So highlight if, and here is the option underline. So click it and select like style, and also you can change the underline color. So that is friend, by easy and simple the setting you can underline your text in MS Word document. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.